Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, you read the title right. UX and UI will blow up in 2026. So today I'm going to take you through 4 very solid aspects that say that in the next 5 years, UX UI will blow up. Now, before we begin, today's video is being sponsored by Around. So if you use Around or if you've ever used Around, let me know in the comments below what you feel about it. Alright, so the first factor that we're looking at is loss-making companies. Now, these loss-making companies generally provide their services or product either for a very low cost or for a zero cost. Yes, they charge vendors or customers $0 for all their services. Now, they're doing this so that they can capture the market, which might be uncaptured till now, before anybody else does. And once they've captured millions of people, they will be able to start making money of premium products or premium services. Now, UX designers need to have one expertise that not a lot of people talk about, and that's business acumen. A UX designer who has great business acumen will be able to make sure that whatever features it's introducing or whatever product there is can sell goods easily or sell services easily. Now, Amazon actually made $300 million because it changed the UX of a button. And that's crazy. And that is where loss-making companies come in. 5 years down the line, when they want to be profitable, when they've captured the market, they will need talented UX designers like you and I, hire them and make sure that these UX designers are able to deliver a good product, even a good paid product, which people don't get off from. They keep on using. Now, that is why loss-making companies will act as a huge gold mine for UX UI designers, for marketers, in general, for creative people as well. Now, the first point is in certain ways tied to the second point as well. Now, the second point basically says that the preference will be given to people with a certain specialization. Now, till now, startups know one word: UX or UI design. That is what most startups come off knowing. Once all these business folk get to know more about design and tech, they will realize that there is an interest or there is a need for UX designers who specialize in, say, interaction design, or a UX designer who specializes in research or human psychology. In those cases, they will start bringing on more people above and beyond the UX designers to do specialized tasks. Now, when these companies will have hired a team of UX designers 5 years down the line, when they need to improve or build more products, they will basically bring interaction designers, UX researchers, product designers, motion designers even, to come on board and create great products above and beyond what they've already done. So all these companies which are coming up now, the gold rush of startups, will bring a gold rush of UX as well, because they'll start needing more specialized people. Alright, so Around is today's special sponsor. Now, this is a tool I've been using. I've been using their GIF features, which allows you to use GIFs instead of your video, which is really cool. I've been using some of their AI features too, which follows your head wherever you take your head to. It also mutes the background noise to provide a much better seamless experience on video calls. Also, if you're using Slack, this is the perfect video calling tool because it has deep integration with Slack, which is really cool. And a designer will always look at it from a designer's perspective, and the dashboard is very well designed. That is something I can really tell you about it. It's available to get on your phone right now, be it iOS or Android, so you can take your meetings anywhere you go. And of course, who can forget the floating windows? Whenever you're working, you can have these floating circles on top of your work while you're chatting with someone on video call. All these great, amazing things are available right now for free. Yes, you can get this tool for free for your desktop, for your mobile, even for the web. So go check it out. The link will be in the description. Give it a try. If you like it, keep using it. Now, the third one is actually close to my heart. It's called value awareness. Now, I'm sure you've seen a lot of Chris Do videos where he explains how to charge your client, how to make sure that you understand your own value. In fact, I do all these live sessions on Instagram and I do talk about it as well. Now, value awareness is where we understand two things. How much money can we make from a client, from a job, from a gig. It doesn't end there. The second one is how valuable we are to the industry, to the corporation, to the people attached to us. So if you're a UX designer, slowly and steadily you will start realizing you have a value so high that you need to interact with product designers, developers, and so many more people. So if they remove UX designers from an organization, the whole connection between developers, designers, product managers, content people will break off. UX designers are essentially a link between a lot of people, a lot of organizational structures. And that is why we are also very valuable when it comes to as an asset for the company. Now, the awareness of such facts, the awareness that UX designers have a place in the industry or in the company is increasing, and hence our confidence increases. And that is where people like us can communicate to businesses of what value we hold, and businesses understand that as well. So collectively, UX UI designers like us, who not only make good money, but also understand our place in the organization, are increasing and improving day by day. We will be able to push the industry to a point where we are a very valuable asset to these businesses or to these corporations. This is something similar that happened to tech. When people wanted to enter tech, their most valuable assets were developers. But now slowly it's increased the horizon to other people as well. So companies, UX designers are coming, and that's the message here. The fourth one is actually pretty interesting, and it's something that not a lot of people will agree to. It's called the critical aspect of design. Now, ever since the birth of UX design, Don Norman led the way of UX design coming into place. There has been a lot of learning in the environment, in the sense that it took time to formulate the UX laws. It took time to formulate principles of design. It took time to formulate a design thinking process. Now that process is not foolproof. It has been changing over time. We went from a linear design process to a double diamond or that infinity symbol that I'm sure you guys have seen. Now that shows that design, even though we say it's a science, it's not a fixed science. It keeps on changing over the years. And as it keeps on changing, as the environment keeps on changing, there will be critical viewpoints on everything that we do. So if you design something, you can never guarantee that that's a foolproof idea or a foolproof design. Now, the critical aspect is where people start to grow more. Now, often a gold rush will come because of that growth. People with critical viewpoints that this is not the best way to do this gained notoriety, and they have also created a space for themselves. And the best part is it's always backed by research. If there is a critical comment or if there is a critical aspect of design, there will always be research backing that critical aspect. And that is why UX has grown so much over the years. We've understood so many new things. And now we are at a point where we've made sure that everything is fine-tuned and we reach to success faster. And because we have that tool or that key to that box, we can now open it faster and better. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can thumbs down. That's up to you. I would also appreciate a quick comment, either saying something positive or negative, whatever you feel like. I will see you every Monday and Thursday, same time, same place. So till next time, God bless.